For this first video tutorial, we wanted to introduce you to how we created the Mimesis activity sheets. I asked Veronica and Rossi from Spaces Foundation to explain the concept behind these activity sheets and how it works.
There are three main stages. Warming, where you can introduce the topic. They could also include games for concentration, form if you need for the later in the process to form small groups. The second stage is the main stage is the process, where you lead the children to get the knowledge they need, but also to develop their own projects. And finally, there is a presentation stage, which in theater is always like even improvised small theater performances at the end.
To make it more clear, I asked Veronica and Rossi to take an example with the Water Everywhere activity they created for the Mimesis project.
There, I think it's very clear the warm up, the process, and the presentation at the end. So the warm up is really to introduce children to what in physical theater means body pose and sculpture, and what is movement transition from one sculpture to another sculpture. We call it the cycle of the plant cycle. From a seed goes to the roots deep in the soil, then the trunk appears very, very high, and then the branches appears, and then from the branches the seed falls down in the earth again. Then we go to the topic aggregate states of water and change processes like melting, freezing, evaporating. So we introduce children to the topic. So now we do these aggregate states and the change processes. First, to create 3 group sculptures, but to be fixed. And then interacting with their bodies, how they go from one sculpture to the second sculpture, stop, and then from the second sculpture to the third sculpture. And at the end, they have this small group choreographies. And at the same time, children start to say like, okay, we evaporate like this, we melt like this. So they start already to embody very, very specific knowledge about water and the change processes.